2020 Ford Mustang. With less than 73,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, parking aid sensor, backup camera, convertible soft top, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auxiliary input. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!